Grouted tile is a popular choice for floors because it's durable, easy to maintain, and can withstand heavy foot traffic. However, over time, grout can become dirty and discolored, which can make the entire surface look unsightly, not to mention the germs and bacteria that form and live between the tiles and the grout line. Yuck. The only way to get into grout lines and really clean dirt, germs, and bacteria is by using a brush or bristled floor pad. Mops and pads won't cut it. Cleaning your facility's grouted tile is easy when you use Malish products. We have a variety of floor brushes and bristled floor pads that efficiently and effectively remove dirt and germs from grout lines. If you have a rectangular oscillating orbital machine, our sonic scrub line is ideal for cleaning deep grout lines and uneven floors. Do you use a swing machine, walk behind, or ride on auto scrubber? We have several rotary brushes that can be used on these machines. Our grip brushes and scrubbing brushes in nylon, polypropylene, and natural fiber, as well as our pad drivers paired with flex scrub bristled floor pads are perfect for the job. Brushes and bristled floor pads agitate the cleaning solution and reach the highs and lows, as well as deep into grout lines where traditional pads and mops can't reach. To maintain clean grouted tile, we recommend establishing a regular cleaning schedule using a Malish brush or bristled floor pad along with the appropriate cleaning products and equipment. Our grip brushes outlast traditional pads up to 200 to 1. Flex scrub lasts up to 50 times longer, and all of our brushes are self-cleaning. Seeing is believing. For more information about our floor brushes and bristled pads, call us at 800-321-7044 or visit us at malish.com.